If you are trying to get monetized on YouTube in just a few weeks or even days, stop scrolling, because I'm going to show you something most gurus won't tell you. You cannot fake YouTube monetization, but you can speed it up massively if you use the right strategy. In this video, I'll show you how people grow from zero to monetized fast, the exact content strategy that brings subscribers quickly, and the mistakes that delay 90% of beginners. Watch till the end because the last part is what makes channels blow up. To get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. Now listen carefully. Most beginners fail because they chase views instead of building systems. Views don't matter if people don't subscribe, people don't watch long enough. Your content has no niche, so the first rule is pick one content direction. Examples: tech tips, AI tools, motivational videos, storytelling, facts, YouTube growth content like this video. Don't mix everything. If you want 4,000 watch hours, make videos like how I grew from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Top 5 mistakes killing your channel. YouTube growth explained simply. Keep them 6 to 10 minutes minimum. High retention storytelling. Every viral YouTube video follows this structure. 1. Hook first 3 seconds. Grab attention immediately. Example: most people will never monetize YouTube, and here's why. 2. Problem. Explain what is wrong. Example: no views, no subscribers, wrong content strategy. 3. Solution. Give steps clearly. What to do, how to do it, real examples. 4. Pattern interrupt. Change energy. Zoom in, text on screen, sound effect, cutscenes. 5. Strong ending. Tell viewers, if you apply this for 7 days straight, your channel will change. Let's be honest. People who monetize fast usually already had old accounts, went viral on shorts, posted consistently 10 to 20 videos daily, used trends and timing. So the real secret is not luck. It is volume plus consistency plus strong hooks. If you post 30 bad videos, one will likely go viral. So if you want to monetize fast, stop overthinking videos. Post daily. Focus on retention. Learn from each upload. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. And if you want, I can also show you viral shorts ideas, faceless channel setup, 30-day monetization plan. Just comment or watch my next video.